How to use vehicle motion cues to reduce motion sickness on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Motion. Here, go to Vehicle Motion Cues. As you can see, this feature is currently turned off. Select On from the options. When turned on, the dots will display until you turn them off. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily use vehicle motion cues to reduce motion sickness on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.